Did you know the Great Sphinx almost crumbled to dust before it was even finished? Around 2558 BCE, Pharaoh Chephren ordered workers to carve this massive monument directly from living rock, but they quickly discovered a terrifying problem. The limestone had layers of different hardness. Some parts were so soft they crumbled like cheese, while other sections were rock hard and took years to shape with bronze tools. Ancient engineers watched in horror as chunks of the Sphinx's body fell away before their eyes. They had to invent brand new repair techniques, wrapping parts of the monument in protective stone blocks just to save it. But here's the strangest part. Look closely at the Sphinx's head compared to its body. It's way too small. Many experts now believe Chephren didn't create the Sphinx at all. Instead, he carved his face onto an existing lion statue that was already thousands of years old. Water erosion patterns on the monument suggest it survived massive floods that happened long before any pharaoh ruled Egypt.